So I need to make little thumbnails for my blog posts. And I know that I want it to be this like rounded, but this is actually a little too rounded. So I just added this before I started, which is this guy here. This is a bit too rounded. I think that's better. And I know I want to use like different, I don't know what the color is. It's not pastel, but just like different shades, like turquoise and salmon and those kind of colors. And I know I actually have, I think this is the salmon that I want. Yeah. So I basically just live on Google Images and search for different colors and play with hslpicker.com until I find the color that I love. And I love that color so much. This was actually the original color of my site, but for some reason I switched at the last minute to like a deep teal, but I still want to use it because it's so cute. So once again, not preparing content ahead of time. I have no idea what I want this to read as. 28, maybe like 28 day design challenge. If I have like that there, and like day 1, that's all I got. Definitely want this to be white. Oops. Or at least like a gray. No, white. I'm really into, there are a few fonts that I have recently fallen in love with. Let's see if they're here. So one I love and haven't been able to use is this guy. That looks kind of cute. I don't know if it's gonna fit with this though, but I like that. And another one that I like is this one. Like 150. It's still so small. 300. Meh. Maybe. And always love GeoSans Light, but that's too boring for this. Where is, I think it's called Dancing Script. Here we go. Kind of digging this one. Day 1. Maybe I should put like what I do for each day, and I don't remember what day 1 is. Let's see, have YouTube tell me. Oh, wrong browser. Day 1. Oh, I know what I did for day 1. I did 5 tips. Maybe I want it like this. No, I don't want it like that. 5 tips for a killer resume is what I did. No. Okay. What's this again? Maybe if I switch them. No. Fonts are the bane of my existence. I love them so much and I hate them so much because they take me forever. Okay, I kind of like that together, maybe. Maybe I want this like tilted. No. Or maybe if I make it bigger. No, it's probably gonna be like 350. If I did like this and then brought this down, maybe made it super small. 5 tips for a killer resume. Or maybe, do I want like here, and then maybe something like this. And send these both, send to the back. Is this centered? And then, I love how I talk like someone is here with me. And then this. And this. That's better. Okay. That's better. Can this bold? A hard part about downloading fonts from online is, yeah, see, you never know when it can bold or not. Like this one doesn't have a bold. 28-day design challenge, 5 tips for a killer resume. Huh. And then like I don't want to go too hard with having words in there because it's just a thumbnail. But do I say the title, or do I say what I used? I could do like 5 tips for a killer resume, and then I could have smaller text below it. Do I want this one? Oh, I kind of like that little funkiness. Ooh, I'm kind of into that. Yeah, I like that a lot. That was an accident that worked out. Nice. But I want both of them to be centered. Yeah, I like that. Cool. Looks trippy. Blog thumbnail. I literally live in Keynote if you can't tell. Let's make sure I spell this right. 28-day design challenge. Okay, dope. And then do I want like, okay, what's that? Do I want it to be like using Keynote? And then what font is this? Give you glory. Give you glory. And make that like 200. Like super small. Kind of digging that. I know it doesn't have to be perfect, blah, blah, blah. I am so anal and such a perfectionist. It's ridiculous. Mind you, this is just a small thumbnail that you can hardly see. Okay, 5 tips for a killer resume using Keynote. Okay, let's try it. Images. Downloads. I save everything to my downloads so I can just delete it after. Well, I don't delete it after, but delete it eventually. Edit. I think it's under options. So I'm currently moving. I've been posting everything on my WordPress, and now that my site is live and gonna be live today, I need to move over all the blog posts. Okay, cute. Save. I'm into it. I just don't know if it does like such a mismatch with mismatch with the font of the site, but it's like, who cares? It's just okay. I'm into that. Let's just see. I'm pretty sure that's Montserrat. Site styles. Font. It is. Like, if I can incorporate it, let's see. But I feel like I would have to replace this one. No. All right, fuck it. We're gonna stick with it. Day 1, 5 tips for a killer resume using Keynote. Done. Okay. Let's do one more now that we have, ooh, what's this? Padding. Meta font, meta color. Because you can have a title if you want, which I don't. All right. Let's do day 2. I have no recollection of what day 2 was. Oh, I have it here. Unhide. Unhide. Day 2 was, oh, it was just like, I'll just call it social media. No, Instagram. What is that called? Design an Instagram post. Day 2. Design an Instagram post using Canva, not Canvas, asshole. Day 2, design an Instagram post using Canva. Okay. I'm gonna say with Canva. And then I have in my desktop again, because I have a color problem. I have this that I've been super into. I'm so into like these turquoisey type colors right now. I want to use this seafoam, that middle one. I'll probably end up using all of these because I need 28 of them. That's the wrong one. Middle one, cute. And then let's change these. Text, that one. Done. Move this. Let's see. Day 2, design an Instagram post with Canva. Boom. I definitely want the next one to be like a golden yellow. Let's just do that while we're here. But not that, and that's actually the wrong thing. I always choose the wrong. Okay, bright as hell. Let's look for it. So this is how I find colors. Like a mustard yellow. This would work. Let's try. Both of these could work. Ooh, this could work too. See, this is how my desktop gets full. It's because I just keep looking at colors. Day 3 was design a resume. Per usual, design a resume. Are they all overlapping like that? Yeah. I'm gonna say using Keynote. I should make this capital. Is this capital? Yes, using Keynote with Canva. Design a resume using Keynote. Okay. And then let's try these two. I will probably end up using all of these. Looks a lot like shit. Nah, it's not dark enough. That's cool. Text, get that guy. Done. We can delete these. Save it. Day 3, design a resume using Keynote. Cute. And we're done. Something I didn't mention is you could make this and then create a PNG like using Photoshop, which I did in a different video. I did that yesterday for creating my favicon for my site. But what I did to just simplify things is I changed the slide, the color of the document, the background, to match the background of my website. So basically it's kind of gonna like, well, you can see it here actually. It just blends in because I made it so that this isn't a solid, this isn't like a straightforward white, it's kind of grayish. And so I did that so it just matches. And that's it. Super simple.